नमः। The Bhagavad Gita, the Song Divine, Chapter 1. Dhritarashtra Vach. धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवः मामकाः पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय. Dhritarashtra said, Sanjaya, gathered on the holy land of Kurukshetra, eager to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? Sanjay Uvacha. दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Sanjaya said at the time, seeing the army of the Pandavas drawn up for battle and approaching Dronacharya, King Duryodhana spoke the following words. पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणामाचार्यं महतिं चमुं व्यूढा द्रुपदपुत्रेण तौ शिष्येण धीमता. Behold, O revered master, the mighty army of the sons of Pandu, arrayed for battle by your talented pupils, Drishtadumna, son of Drupad. अत्र सूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुन समायुधि युधानो विराटस्य द्रुपदस्य महारथ दृष्टकेतुश्च कीतान् काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान् पुरोजित्य कुन्ती भोजस्य शैव्यस्य नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथा. There are in this army heroes wielding mighty bows and equal in military powers, prowess to Bhima and Arjuna, Satyaki and Virata, and the Maharathi warrior of chief Drupada, Drashtaketu, Sekitana, and the valiant king of Kashi, and Purujit, Kunti Bhoja, and Saibya, the best of men, and mighty Yudha Manyu, and valiant Utamauja, Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, and the 5 sons of Draupadi, all of them Maharathis, warrior of chiefs. अस्माकं तु विशिष्टादि तान्यो बोध द्विजोत्तमं नायकां सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि. O best of Brahmans, know them also who are the principal warriors on our side, the generals of my armies. For your information, I mention them. भवानम्भे मत्स्यकर्णस्य कृपश्च शमितेञ्जयः अश्वस्थामा विकर्णस्य सोमदत्ते तथैव च. Yourself and Bhishma and Karna and Krapa, who is ever victorious in battles, and even so Ashwasthama, Vikarna, and Bhurisrava, the son of the Somadatta. अन्ये च बहवो सुरा मदर्थे त्यक्त जीविता नाना शस्त्र प्रहरणा सर्वे युद्ध विशारदा. And there are many other heroes, all skilled in warfare, equipped with various weapons and missiles, who have staked their lives for me. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरचितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतसां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितं. This army of ours, fully protected by Bhishma, is unconquerable, while that army of theirs, guarded in every way by Bhima, is easy to conquer. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमे तेषां बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितम्. अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिता भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तु सर्व एव हि. Therefore, stations in your respective positions of on all fronts do you all guard Bhishma in particular on all sides. तस्य संजयन्यर्ष कुरु वृद्धं पितामह सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चै शंखदद्मो प्रतापवान्. The grand old man of the Kaurava race, that glorious grand patriarch Bhishma, cheering up Duryodhana, roared terrible like a lion and blew his conch. तत् शंखाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानकगोमुखा सहसैवाभय हन्यन्त स शब्दस्तु मूलो अभवत्. Then conches, kettles, drums, tabors, drums and trumpets blared forth all at once, and the noise was tumultuous. तत् श्वेतर्हरेक्तयुक्ते महति चन्दने स्थितौ माधवं पाण्डवश्चैवं दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्यमतु. Then seated in a glorious chariot drawn by white horses, Sri Krishna as well as Arjuna blew their celestial conches. पांचजन्य हृषिकेशो देवदत्य धनंजय पौंड्रु दद्मौ महाशंख भीमकर्मा विकोदर. Sri Krishna below his conch name Pandu Kanjaya, Arjuna Devdatta, while Bhima of ferocious deeds below his mighty conch Poundra. अनंत विजयम राजा कुंतीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिर नकुल सहदेवस्य सुघोष मणिपुष्पकौ. King Yudhishthira, son of Kunti, blew his conch Anant Vijaya, while Nakula and Sahadeva blew they are known as the Sughosha and Mani Puspaka respectively. काश्यस्य परमेश्वास शिखंडी च महारथा धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजित. द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वश पृथ्वीपते सौभद्रस्य महाबाहो शंखान् दद्मो पृथक पृथक. And the excellent archer, the king of Kashi, and Shikhandi, the Maharathi, the great chariot warriors, Drishtadyumna and Virata, and invincible Satyaki, Drupada, as well as the 5 sons of the Drupadi, and the mighty arms of Avanyu, son of the Saubhadra, all of them, O Lord of the earth, surely blew their respective conches from all sides. सघोषोधारतराष्ट्राणं हृदयानि व्यदारित नभश्च पृथ्वी चैतु मनु व्यनुनादयन. And the terrible sound echoing through heaven and earth rent the hearts of the Dhritarashtra, the armies. अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धारराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वज प्रवृते शस्त्र संपाते धनुरुद्ध्व पांडव. ऋषिकेश तदा वाक्यमिदमाहं महीपते. अर्जुनवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयामि. Now, O Lord of the earth, seeing your sons, I recognized him, and when missiles were ready to be hurled, Arjuna, who had the figure of Hanumana on the flag of his chariots, took of his bow and then addressed the following words to Sri Krishna. Krishna, place my chariot between the two armies. यावदेतान्तरेक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानुवस्थितानां कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यमस्मिन् दृढसमुद्य मे. And keep it there till I have carefully observed these various draws for battles and have seen with whom I have to engage in this fight. योत्सयमानानवेक्ष्यहम् एते अत्र समागता धारतराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर्युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः. I shall have a look at the well wishes of evil-minded Duryodhana in this war. Whoever have assembled on his side and are ready for the fight. Sanjay उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखत सर्वेषा च महेक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिते. Sanjaya said, O king, those addressed by Arjuna, Sri Krishna placed the magnificent chariot between the two armies in front of Bhishma, Drona and all the kings and said, Arjuna, behold these Kauravas assembled here. तत्र पास्य स्थितान् पार्थ पितॄन् थ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीस्तथा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि. Now Arjuna saw stations there in the both the armies, his uncles, granduncles and teacher, even great granduncle, maternal uncle, brothers and cousins, sons and nephews and grandnephews, even so friends, father-in-law and well-wishers as well. तान् समीक्षं स कौन्तेय सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टो विषीदनन्नेदमब्रवीत्. Saying all the relations present there, Arjuna was overcome with deep compassion and spoke those in sorrow. Second half of 27 and first half of 28. Arjuna Uvacha दृष्टवेयं स्वजनं कृष्ण योत्सो समुपस्थितं सीदन्तिमं गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति बेपथुश्च शरीरे मे हर्षश्च जायते. Arjuna said, Krishna, as I see these kinsmen arrayed for battle, my limbs give way and my mouth is getting parched. Nay, a shiver runs through my body and hair stand on end. Gandhyo santrastate Gandhivam santrasate Hastatvakshayo paridahayate Na cha sakno maya vasthatum Brahmativa cha me manah. The bow Gandiva slips from my hands and my skin to burns all over. My mind is welling as its wear and I can no longer hold myself steady. Nimittani cha pasyami viparitani kesavah na cha shreyo anupasyami hatva swajan maho. And Kesava, I see omens of evil, nor do I see and good in killing my kinsmen in battles. Na kangshe vijayam krishnam na cha rajyam sukhani cha kim no rajyen govindam kim bhoger jeevitenva. Krishna, I do not covet victory, nor kingdom, nor pleasures, Govinda, of what use will kingdom or luxurious or even life be to us? Esa marthe kangchitam no rajyam bhoga sukhani cha taime avasthita yuddhi pranastya yaktvam dhanani cha acharya pitarah putra tathaiva cha pitamaha मातुला स्वशूरा पौत्रा श्याला संबंधे नस्तथा. Those very persons for whose sake be coveted the kingdom, luxurious and pleasurous teachers, uncles, sons, and nephews, and even so grand uncle and great grand uncles, maternal uncles, father-in-law, grand nephews, brothers-in-law, and other relations are here arrayed on the battlefield, staking their lives and wealth. एतान् न हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतुमपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नु मही कृते. O slayer of Madhu, I do not want to kill them, though they may slay me even for the sovereignty over the three worlds. How much the less for the kingdom here on earth. निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान् का प्रीति स्याज जनार्दनम् पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वेतानाततायिनः. Krishna, how can we hope to be happy slaying the sons of the Dhritarashtra by killing even these? This perhaps sins will surely occur to us. तस्मान् नार्हा वयं हन्तु धारता राष्ट्रा न स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधवः. Therefore, Krishna, it does not behave us to kill our relations, the sons of Dhritarashtra, for how can we happy after killing our one kinsman? यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतस कुलक्षय कृतं दोष मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम् कथं न गेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान्नने वर्तितुं कुलक्षय कृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दनः. Even though these people with their mind blinded by greed perceive no evil in destroying their one race and no sin in treasons or to friends, why should not we, O Krishna, who see clearly the sin occurring from the destruction of one's family, think of desisting for committing this sin? कुलक्षये प्रणशयन्ति कुलधर्मा सनातना धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम धर्मोऽभिभवत्युत. As long family tradition disappear with the destructions of the family, and virtue having been lost, vice takes hold of the entire race. अधर्माभिभवात् कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्षणे जायते वर्णशंकरः. With the preponderance of vice, Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and with the corruptions of women, O descendant of Vrishni, there ensues an intermixture of caste. शंकरो नरकाय कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरोः लुप्तपिण्डोदक क्रिया. Progency owing to promiscuity, demons, the destroyers of the race, as well as the race itself, deprived of the offering of rice and water, Shraddha, Tarpana, the men of their race also fall. दोषे रेते कुलज्ञाना वर्णशंकर कारके उत्सादन्ते जाति धर्मा कुल धर्माश्च शाश्वताः. Through these evils bringing about an intermixture of caste, the age-long caste traditions and family customs of the killers of kinsmen get extinct. उत्सनन् कुल धर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दनम् नरके अनियतं वासो भवति त्यनुशोश्रुम्. Krishna, we hear that men who have lost their family traditions dwell in hell for an indefinite period of time. Aho bat mahatpapam pratubhyosita vayam yadrajya sukhlobhen hantu swajan mudyatah. Oh, what a pity through possessed of intelligence, we have set our mind on the commissions of a great sin, that due to lust for throne and enjoyment we are intent on killing our once kinsmen. यदि माम प्रतीकारम शस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धारत्र राष्ट्रा रणे हन्योस्तन्मे क्षेमक्तरं भवेत्. It would be better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra armed with weapons kill me in battle while I am unarmed and unresisting. Sanjay Uvac. एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संगख्ये रथोपस्य उपाविशत् वैसृज्यं ससरं चापं शोकं संविघ्नमानसः. Sanjaya said, Arjuna, whose mind was agitated by grief on the battlefield, having spoken thus and having cast aside his bow and arrows, sank into the hinder part of his chariot. तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भागवद्गीता सुपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे अर्जुना विषयाद् योगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः. Those in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, end the first chapter entitled The Yoga of Dejections of Arjuna.